Adventure is thrilling until it turns unpredictable, and when that moment strikes, when you're mountain biking through California's dusty trails or kayaking across England's rugged west coast, having a lifeline can mean the difference between a good story and a survival tale. That's where Garmin's new Fenix 8 Pro steps in, combining next-level performance, robust durability, and cutting-edge satellite communication technology directly on your wrist. Imagine being deep in the wild, miles from civilization, with no cellular bars in sight, yet still able to send an SOS, text your location, or update your loved ones in seconds. That's the power this watch delivers. Garmin has taken the already legendary Fenix series and elevated it into something far greater, an outdoor adventure safety companion that connects you no matter where you are. But what truly sets the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro apart is its integration of Garmin's inReach satellite system, previously available only in dedicated satellite messengers. Now, it's right there in your watch, ready whenever the unexpected happens. From two-way text messaging to live tracking, check-ins, emergency SOS, and even voice messaging, this smartwatch doesn't just record your performance. It keeps you connected to the world beyond the map. So, let's dive deep into how to set it up, use it effectively, and understand whether it's worth the investment for your next big adventure. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro comes in at a premium, about $200 more than the base Fenix 8. But the additional features more than justify the price hike. To unlock its satellite capabilities, you'll need a Garmin inReach subscription, which starts at around $8 per month and can go up to $50 per month depending on your usage, particularly how many messages you plan to send and how often you want live tracking enabled. Every subscription tier includes a vital emergency SOS feature and LTE services, requiring at least a 30-day commitment. Garmin even offers flexible month-to-month options, allowing you to upgrade or downgrade as needed. A thoughtful touch for seasonal adventurers. Before you start using satellite communications, here's what you'll need. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a smartphone with the Garmin Connect and Garmin Messenger apps installed, and a Garmin account linked with your phone number. You can activate a free trial of the inReach service during setup, which takes about 15 minutes, a bit tedious with multiple logins, but absolutely worth it when you realize this small device could save your life one day. Once your account and apps are synced, the Fenix 8 Pro connect to Garmin's network, allowing for 3 modes of operation: Bluetooth via phone, LTE, and satellite. In auto mode, the watch intelligently switches between phone, LTE, and satellite connectivity, depending on what's available. This means you can head out knowing your watch will automatically find the best way to communicate. The LTE system runs on Garmin's own network, removing the hassle of juggling data plans or SIM cards. It works seamlessly across regions. So whether you're in the Rockies or the Alps, you stay connected. While LTE makes your watch function somewhat like a mini phone on your wrist, it's primarily optimized for safety and performance tracking, not casual conversations. You can send voice messages, text updates, and share your location with friends and family. But if your phone doesn't have coverage, your watch's LTE connection might also be limited. That's when the satellite feature becomes your ultimate backup. Switching to satellite communication, the watch allows text messaging even in completely remote zones, but it requires a clear view of the sky. The Fenix 8 Pro guides you through an easy animated step-by-step process to align your wrist toward the satellite. And while the initial connection might take 10 to 30 seconds, once it's locked in, you can send and receive messages. The on-screen keyboard is small and might be challenging for larger or gloved fingers, but Garmin offers customizable quick text templates to make communication fast and efficient. Each message is sent via a temporary Garmin number, and your contacts can reply without needing to download the Messenger app. Perfect for emergencies. However, if you want to send voice messages or make calls, your contacts will need the Garmin Messenger app, which enhances clarity and allows real-time communication. The Fenix 8 Pro's built-in microphone and speaker handle calls decently. Though the speaker sounds tinny, it's meant for quick check-ins, not long conversations. One standout feature is Live Track, which lets family or teammates monitor your progress in real time. You can customize who receives your Live Track link, and they'll get an SMS or email with a live map of your route. This isn't just convenient. It's reassuring for anyone who worries when you're exploring alone. You can even automate Live Track to start with every workout, although it's best to customize it so you don't accidentally broadcast every morning jog. Alongside that, The check-in feature lets you quickly send preloaded messages like, "All good," or "Reach safely." Perfect for confirming your safety without draining battery or fumbling through menus. Speaking of safety, the emergency SOS function is the heart of the inReach system. With just 2 button presses, you can send a distress signal to Garmin's 24/7 emergency response center, which coordinates rescue efforts using your live GPS coordinates. The system automatically attempts LTE first and switches to satellite if necessary, ensuring your call for help goes through even in total isolation. However, while the technology is incredible, there are some caveats to consider. Security researchers have found that some satellite communication systems transmit unencrypted data, potentially exposing sensitive information like phone numbers and message content. Garmin, along with providers like T-Mobile and AT&T, has taken steps to address this with enhanced encryption, but it's always worth being cautious about what personal details you share over satellite networks. Additionally, satellite messaging is restricted or illegal in certain countries, so always check Garmin's updated list before traveling abroad to avoid any legal complications. Garmin has clarified that wearing the Fenix 8 Pro in these regions likely won't get you arrested, but using its satellite communication features might. Beyond communication, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro offers incident detection, a life-saving function that automatically alerts your emergency contacts if the watch detects a fall or crash during activities like running, hiking, or cycling. You can also manually trigger alerts when you feel unsafe, which adds peace of mind for both wilderness explorers and city commuters alike. This makes it more than just a smartwatch. It's a guardian on your wrist. Combining military-grade durability, water resistance, multi-band GPS, and solar charging options, the Fenix 8 Pro is designed to thrive in environments where smartphones fear to tread. The AMOLED display is stunning, even in bright sunlight, and battery life remains impressive, especially in expedition mode. Garmin continues to refine its software ecosystem, ensuring seamless transitions between your phone, watch, and satellite systems. If you've ever wished your smartwatch could double as a satellite communicator, the Fenix 8 Pro is your wish granted. It takes everything Garmin has learned from years of developing rugged outdoor tech and condenses it into a sleek, functional, and incredibly capable device. Yes, the setup can feel daunting at first, and yes, the subscription adds ongoing costs. But when you consider what's at stake during remote adventures, it's hard to put a price on peace of mind. Whether you're summiting mountains, trail running through canyons, or exploring dense forests, knowing you have the ability to communicate or summon rescue can give you the confidence to push your limits safely. In short, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just a smartwatch. It's your lifeline when technology, terrain, or nature itself turns against you. It's the explorers, the adventurers, the off-grid wanderers who value both performance and safety. And while it's not designed for casual day-to-day chatting, it shines in moments that truly matter. The satellite connectivity, voice call integration, live tracking, and SOS features make it the most complete outdoor smartwatch Garmin has ever made. So, is it worth buying? If your adventures take you beyond the reach of cellular towers, then absolutely yes. It's an investment in security, freedom, and cutting-edge innovation. But if your journeys are mostly urban or suburban, you may not need its satellite muscle. Garmin's other LTE-enabled models might suit you better. For everyone else, this is the new gold standard of outdoor smartwatches, blending style, safety, and substance seamlessly. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and its satellite communication features. What do you think? Will you trust your next adventure to this tech marvel, or wait for Garmin's next evolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cutting-edge tech insights. This is TechVerse, your world of innovation, adventure, and technology, where we make sense of the future one gadget at a time.